In the deep jungle, silence is often the loudest warning. Welcome to the floor of the Borneo rainforest. Here, a giant moves without a whisper.
He tastes the air, hunting not with eyes, but with chemistry.
Rico, the troop alpha, knows the dangers of the ground. Camouflage is not just defense, it is a weapon. But even the sharpest eyes can miss a shadow.
Patience is an evolutionary masterpiece.
Hunger forces a fatal mistake.
The predator becomes a statue.
Sweetness distracts from the lurking bitterness.
300 pounds of muscle prepares to launch. A snap twig? A shifted leaf? Target acquired. Spring is coiled. Too late. Strike speed. Less than a blink.
The recurved teeth act as a fleshy anchor.
The first coil is the beginning of the end. It is not crushing bones. It is stealing space. Every exhale is a lost opportunity. He waits for the breath to leave, then takes the room. Panic turns to hypoxia. Thousands of muscles working in unison.
Fighting a Livin hydraulic press. The forest continues, indifferent to the struggle.
He can feel the prey's heart slowing down. The circulatory system collapses. And then, stillness. He holds to ensure the job is done. The hug has concluded. Now, the impossible task of consumption begins. Nature wastes nothing. He must find the head to begin swallowing. The jaw is a marvel of biological engineering. Elastic skin stretches beyond belief.
A meal that will last for months.
The jungle floor belongs to Titan.